Who are you, Nathaniel?
Batman.
What?
Batman.
Batman.
Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man. Who are you? Put your... Who are you?
Catwoman.
Catwoman?
No, she's just a kitty cat.
You're a kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Cool. Show me your superpowers.
Spider-Man.
Nathaniel, what do you do? You're silly.
And also I do this.
What do you do?
I thought I do this. So whenever I thought I do that, the other one push me. And whenever I get put,
What do you do?
put me, I do that.
You do that?
Come on, next
Scratching?
stretching.
Cool. Look. That's all. Okay. Say happy Halloween. Okay, like and subscribe, please.
Like and subscribe, please.